Hi and welcome back. My name is Daniel, and today I'll be teaching you how to use expressions in everyday situations. Our topic for today is: these space expressions are out of this world. First, let's learn some keywords that are included in this lesson. Slang. Casual and informal language that is only used by a particular group of people or in a particular context. For example, Irish slang can be confusing to foreigners. Rocket. A tube-shaped vehicle used for space travel. For example, someday I want to go to the moon on a rocket. Measure. To find the size, amount, or speed of something. For example, we need to measure the size of the room to see if the table will fit there. Related. Connected or similar, from the same family. For example, these two issues are closely related. These space expressions are out of this world. The first person went to space in 1961. And we've been using space expressions since long before that. Here are some examples. Out of this world. If something is out of this world, it's very good or amazing. For example, if your dinner tasted great, you might say, that meal was out of this world. Or if you enjoyed a concert, you might say, that band was out of this world. This expression started as 1920s American slang and was made popular in the 1930s and 1940s by people who like jazz music. It's not rocket science. If someone says something is not rocket science, they're saying it's easy to do or understand. For example, if someone asks you how to cook pasta, you might say, it's not rocket science. You just boil some water and put the pasta in. The expression comes from the end of World War II, when the US and other countries used German scientists to make rockets. At that time, there were only a few rocket scientists, and rockets are difficult to build, so these scientists were thought of as very smart. Many moons ago. If something happened many moons ago, it happened a long time ago. For example, the last time I saw you was many moons ago, or it's been many moons since I heard that song. People have used the moon to measure time for thousands of years, and the word month is related to the word moon. The expression many moons ago may have come from Native Americans, many of whom used the moon to count time. Which of the expressions did you find interesting? Give your answer by commenting down below. If you learned something new today or enjoyed listening, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and always take care.